Have you been searching and searching and searching for the perfect lake house? Well, this is it. 603 A Gaming Road in Fontana, Wisconsin. My name is Margaret Labus. I'm with the Starboard Group of Berkshire Hathaway, and this beautiful, newer built home has beautiful lake views, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. Let's take a look. This Indian Hills home is just steps from the beautiful lakefront. Built in 2017 by Matusik Builders, this house has everything you need to host. A huge 8x10 kitchen island seats 6 or more and is great for entertaining. The family room leads to the deck with plenty of seating and views of the water. Two bedrooms, 1.5 bath round out the main level. Upstairs, you'll find 2 master en-suites, a loft, a screen porch that offers the best views. In-house laundry and plenty of storage. The finished walkout lower level has another living room, bedroom, and tiled bath. Walk to Fontana Beach, dining, and everything the West End has to offer. Thanks for taking the tour with me here at 603 A Gaming Road in Fontana. If you have any questions about this house, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're always happy to help. If you'd like more information about our market here in Southeast Wisconsin, visit connectwithmargaret.com, where you'll find home tours, neighborhood information, and tips and tricks on leading your lake life. Cheers.